I am from Delta State. Not really the Igbo speaking Delta. There's this mixture in my language. I call my language Olukumi language.
Olukumi?
Yes, Olukumi. Almost close to Yoruba's kind of.
In Delta, not
Delta State, yes. And my village is Ugbodu in Delta State.
Wow. Okay. So, how did you become Yoruba?
I'm not Yoruba.
But you know what I mean, right?
But people actually think I am Yoruba.
Yes.
In fact, I am not even close to my culture. I'm like lost in the Yoruba world.
That's what I'm saying.
A woman born into Yoruba. I was born in Oyo State. Grew all my life in Oyo State. I only went to the east for my university.
But
all my life in Ibadan. 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 I've been in Ibadan for more than 40 years.
Jesus.
And the Yoruba from the language Yoruba from Ibadan is the best. Yes, it's the best because anybody who can speak Ibadan Yoruba language, then you are good to go. So when I even speak some of my English, the dialect Ibadan-tic show in my language.
You are so Ibadan-tic.
People don't even see the Igbo touch in me. Don't dress Igbo, I dress like Yoruba, I speak Yoruba and things like that. So, and somebody who have lived in Ibadan for almost all her life, what else do you expect? Some take me to say, she's from Oyo State. No, I am from Delta State.
Wow. Delta turned Ibadan. Okay, I'm going to take you a bit deeper now. How was growing up for you? What type of family did you grow up from? And how was it for you? We all have it differently.
Well, my growing up was from a humble background.
Okay.
The Omolokpa barrack stuff.
You look like Omolokpa, ma.
Stop it. The barrack stuff. My father was a police officer, and we grew up in the barrack, Ele, to be precise, in Oyo State. And humble background, the family of 7. I'm the second child. 5 boys, 2 girls. And you know what it means to grow up with the boys. So most time people say, you behave more like a man. Because when we're growing up, all these boys, they don't want to believe that you are their senior. The moment you are a woman, especially the one immediately after me, we used to fight. So coming up from that background of a humble beginning, not from a rich home, an average home, but very contented. My father was able to provide for us all we needed. And all those thoughts he used to imbibe in my mind. Always remember whose child you are. Those proverbial things that made us who we are today. Always remember whose child you are. All that glitters is not gold. Those are the kind of background I came from that gave me this humility. My father made us to understand that charity begins from home. You cannot give what you don't have.
That's right.
So that is the kind of disciplinarian father I had. And that is why sometimes I can't compare the beauty with my, kind of lifestyle. I'm a very simple girl, very humble, and I just do my own things my own way. Nothing attracts me like, okay, somebody is too rich and I want to copy. No. My father will let you know that, look, you are on your own lane. Why don't you just face your lane? Whatever the other person has is his own. You face what you have, and with time, you will get there. So that is the kind of background, and that has really made me who I am today. I'm contented with what God has given to me. I am humble. I'm a woman of integrity. And to burst your bubble, I'll tell you, I am one of the most decent actors you have out there. I am one of the most decent, yes. I can say it anytime.
Wow. I love that.
Thank you.
One of the most decent actors you have there.
Yeah, that's good.